Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia C32, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now one of those toggles will be a battery saver toggle. For me it's already turned on, so I'm going to turn it off just for the purpose of showing you this. So as you can see, it's right over here. Now if you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you a second or third page. Anyway, once you see this toggle, simply press on it to enable it. It will give you a red outline, I believe. Or not. Is it on? It is on. So it looks like it gives me no indication whatsoever that it's enabled. So yeah, anyway, that is how you would enable it. Now, one thing to keep in mind is most power saving modes tend to give you a delayed notifications. So for instance, delayed email fetching, delivery, and notifications from Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and so on. So any application that requires internet connection. So if you encounter this and that's a problem to you, just turn off the power saving mode. Now once you're done, you can obviously turn off the power saving mode by tapping on it like this and you're good to go. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.